Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the most accurate non-repaint Forex scalping 4 indicators. This indicator will make your analysis much more precise and your trades more accurate. Thanks to the smart trend analysis calculation mechanism, you will recognize the trending market and you will be able to open transactions in line with the big traders. This scalping strategy is a non-repaint strategy for MT4 that gives easy-to-use buy-sell signals. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. When the blue or red box is found on the chart, then you have to place a buy or sell trade on the next candle of the black arrow candle. You have to set the stop loss at the position received by the black arrow and close the trade when the opposite white arrow is received. This is to use the white arrow only and only for the purpose of closing the trade, so that you get a safe alternative to trade exit. Do not take trades on white arrow. Best work for any candle time frame. Also avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to take some live trade, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Here is perfect sell trade setup as per our recommendations, so let's take sell trade here and place stop loss at black arrow position. So let's wait till opposite white arrow appear. Free download this trading setup, link given below video description. Here is opposite white arrow appear. So let's close trade here and booked profit. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.